See the student. Next, fifth question. Third and fourth is homework. Simple examples are there. See, fifth what the given question here. ABC is an isosceles triangle with AC is equal to BC. If the given isosceles triangle, you have to draw the diagram based on the questions. Name of triangle is A, B, C. The given AC is equal to BC. They given if AB square is equal to 2AC square, they given, you have to prove that ABC is the right angle triangle. You have to prove that ABC is the right angle triangle. They given isosceles triangle. These two sides are they given equal. One more point they given AB square is equal to 2AC square they given. You have to prove that this ABC of a triangle is right angle triangle. So children, when you can say that right angle triangle, when one side square is equal to sum of the square of other two sides is there means, then you can say that triangle ABC is the right angle triangle. So first write the given. Here given AC is equal to BC, and one more point what they given, AB square is equal to 2AC square. Correct student? So you can write the AB square is equal to AC square plus AC square. Correct? 2AC square is there, you have to write this separate, AC square plus AC square. So what they given here, AC is equal to what they given, BC. Put here AB square is equal to AC means you can write the BC, but AC square is there, you have to write the BC square plus AC square. So here AB square is equal to BC square plus AC square. So one side square is equal to sum of other two sides square is there. So what you can say that hence ABC is a right angle triangle. Finish. Now remember children, this is a very important theorem. For 1 or 2 marks they will ask these such questions. So let's move to the sixth main. See the sixth main what they given. ABC is an equilateral triangle of side 2A. Find each of its altitudes. See, equilateral triangle they given here. Equilateral triangle, we know that. What is the equilateral triangle? The three sides of triangles are equal. Then you can say that equilateral triangle. Give the name A, B, C. Now each side of the equilateral triangle they given 2A, 2A and 2A. I have to find the each of altitudes. Altitude means height. See that? How many altitudes you can draw that here? 3 altitudes you can draw in the this equilateral triangle. Correct? You have to find the each side of each altitudes of this equilateral triangle. So say solution. First given side of See student, I'll give the name D, M and N. Now there are 3 altitudes are there here. You are going to find the altitudes. So take the triangle. Altitude means height will be the right angle triangle. Take the triangle ADC in triangle ADC. See right angle at D is there. So side they given, make the hypotenuse or Pythagoras formula here. Now this is hypotenuse. So AC square is equal to AD square plus CD square. Correct. AC square, how much is there? 2A whole square given AD. Now see that altitude means AD, D is the midpoint of AB. So AD is equal to DB. They given, see, AD is equal to half of 2A. Correct? So 2 get cancelled, A will be remain. So AD is how much? A square plus CD square as it is, keep it. So next 2a whole square means 4a square is equal to a square plus CD square. Correct, children? So CD square is equal to 4a square, bring the a square on the left hand side, minus a square. So CD square is equal to 3a square. So only CD is equal to what is that? Square root of 3a square. Now these two will come the square root. So CD is equal to 3 is not a perfect square number. So as it is, you have to write that is the a square is the square number of a. Therefore CD is equal to a into root 3. So here see that all three altitudes are equal in the right angle triangle. So each altitudes is, you have to write that each altitudes of equilateral triangle is how much? A into root 3. So this is the altitude of the equilateral triangle. I hope you understood, children. But one point you have to remember here, according to Pythagoras theorem or according to the right angle triangle, the altitude of the equilateral triangle or right angle triangle, that is altitude is equal to that root 3 upon 2 into side. That is you can write the side. So this is the altitude it should come. But based on given this question, you got the altitude is equal to a into root 3. But see, remember, the according to the book, the altitude of the any right angle triangle is root 3 by 2 into side. So you have to remember, children. But this is a correct answer. So I hope you understood these all examples. Now next I will give you homework in the WhatsApp group. Thank you for watching. You have a nice day.